Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another clean with me video for you. I had some things I wanted to get done around the house and I made a list and decided to share it with you, so I hope it motivates you to clean your own house. Grove Collaborative partnered up with me on this video to bring you guys an amazing free gift offer, and here it is. So I will talk more about that in a minute, but I was actually unwrapping some flowers from Grove Collaborative, so thank you guys so much for sending me these. It totally made my day. I absolutely love them. They are just stunning. I love farm girl flowers. They're so pretty. So I was unwrapping those and then just putting them in my favorite pitcher vase. So I have quite the collection of cleaning products, and they were all just downstairs on a shelf in my laundry room. So I decided to get these striped bins, and I found them at HomeGoods, and I was just sorting all of my new products into these bins, and I love the way it looks. It's so cute now. I think I'm gonna need to get another one of these, but that's what I'm doing right now, just organizing and sorting my cleaning products. And all of these products are from Grove Collaborative. That's where I order literally all of my cleaning products and so much of our household stuff as well, like paper towels and shampoo, body wash, conditioner. If you place a $20 order on their website, which is super easy to do, you can get the free Mrs. Meyers gift set that I showed at the beginning of the video. It's a dish soap, hand soap, and all-purpose spray in a spring scent of your choice, so that's mint, lilac, or peony, as well as the cute pink apron that I'm wearing, all for free with your $20 purchase, so I'll have all details in the link below for you. I had a few dishes left in the sink from the night before, so I'm just gonna go ahead and load up the dishwasher and then wipe down all of the surfaces in my kitchen and then scrub out the sink really well. And scrubbing the sink is one of my favorite chores. Let me know if you guys love it too, but I think it's so relaxing and I just love like deep cleaning my sink area. So that's what I'm gonna do, and the spray that I'm using here is the new mint scent from Mrs. Meyers. It's so good. It's one of my all-time favorites now. I also think it looks really cute to mix them by the sink, so I have the peony all-purpose spray, the mint dish soap, and then the peony hand soap, and I just like that color combo. Lately, to clean out my sink, I've been mixing my mint dish soap with my Mrs. Meyers cream cleaner, and it's in the lemon scent. So when you mix the mint and the lemon, it's the best combo, and your sink and kitchen just smell so good. I love that citrus scent mixed with the mint. So if you do place an order, I would definitely recommend getting the Mrs. Meyers cream cleaner because it's like one of my absolute favorite things, all-time favorite product to clean out the sink. Once a week, I like to take all the towels and bath mats out of my entryway bathroom and throw those into the wash, so that's what I'm doing right now. And the laundry detergent I use is from Mrs. Meyers, and it's the rosemary scent. Now I'm just scrubbing my toilet with my Clorox toilet wand, an all-time favorite product as well. That thing is seriously life-changing. If you hate cleaning toilets, you have to get that. And then I'm wiping down the outside of the toilet with my 7th generation wipes and cleaning the sink area with the mint all-purpose spray. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw this picture that I just recently got. I think it's so pretty in this space. I found it at Marshall's, and I've been looking for something like this for a long time, and I love it. Let me know what you guys think, but I'm just gonna dust this little area over here with my dusting mitt, which is from HomeGoods. So that's it for today's video. I hope you're feeling inspired. Again, here's the free gift offer, and I'm so excited about it because the spring scents are the best in my opinion, and the apron is so cute. So the links will be below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.